Are you ready to ensure your potential new home is a safe investment? A comprehensive home inspection checklist is essential for spotting hidden issues and making informed decisions. Discover how to navigate this crucial step in the home buying process. A home inspection checklist provides a structured approach to evaluating a property. It ensures every critical component is reviewed, offering a complete picture before purchasing. This tool helps you stay organized and prevents overlooking significant issues. Focus on the structure and foundation, checking for cracks or damage. Examine the roof and exterior for leaks or missing shingles. Review plumbing and electrical systems for functionality. Finally, test heating and cooling systems and assess the interior condition. A checklist exposes hidden defects before closing, helping you avoid costly repairs. It strengthens your negotiation position, allowing you to request repairs or adjust your offer. Ensuring safety and compliance is crucial before moving in. Research the property's history to identify high-risk areas. Bring tools like a flashlight and notebook. Understand the checklist items in advance. Consider hiring a professional inspector for expert insights. Take your time for a thorough inspection. Inspect each room methodically, checking behind objects for hidden issues. Turn on lights and appliances to confirm they work. After the inspection, document findings with notes and photos, prioritizing structural and safety concerns. With a structured checklist and thorough preparation, you can confidently navigate home inspections. Identifying potential issues early ensures a safer investment. Embrace tools like eAuditor for an efficient digital inspection experience.